So we've got an Amana refrigerator here that we've had for a couple years, and noticed it hasn't really been making ice very well. So I went ahead and took the bottom kick plate off and to reveal the condenser. And down here you can see where the kick plate, pop that off, and you can see the hair that's sucked in to it, and where it has completely plugged up the bottom. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to vacuum this out. So I'm just going to use a regular vacuum cleaner and plug that in. And go ahead and start vacuuming this up. Blocking the airflow anymore. So, if you notice that your refrigerator, usually you'll notice your ice cream's getting a little softer, or a lot of times it's the ice production. You'll notice your ice production is lower than it normally would be. And this may not be obvious during the winter when it's cooler, but in the summer when things warm up a little bit and your home's a little warmer, you may start having a problem with not getting good airflow through your air conditioning, through your refrigerator. So taking that bottom kick plate off, vacuuming that out to get rid of that hair, especially if you have pets, can really improve your refrigerator performance. So this thing pops back on. Now you'll notice it's got these little tabs here. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to put this on, and you usually it helps to open the refrigerator and freezer. And you'll notice it's got these little tabs right here. See if I can get the camera on it right here. And those tabs is what it actually will hit on. So I'm going to go ahead, or clasp on. So I'm just going to take this, put this little manual back in here, take this here, and make sure you can see it with the camera. And I'm going to try to get this on here. It'll make it very easy to do with one hand. Let's try it again here. Alright, I'm going to put this down. Just do this like this. Line up little tabs here. There you go. It's on. Alright. So that's it. Thank you very much. Y'all have a great day.